ways in there now. We just stopped down alongside of Hughes Brook here. We're going to take a walk down and have a look at a fox set I had out there last fall. Alright, let's go have a look at the brook and that set, I guess. Yeah, this set is over right here somewhere. Oh man, the brook is low. Maybe 6-8 inches of water in it. Well, this is where I had to set to here. This is a great little spot. There's a steep bank on one side and the river's on the other side. It's the game following the brook. Channels right through here. And that's where I have the snare to there. There it is. And I don't usually pull my snares, I just draw them too and hang them up in the tree for next year. I've after pulling 2 foxes out of this now. And that almost looks like a bear track there. Well, anyway, we got a ways to travel yet. Mosquitoes are ridiculous. Let's get on the go. Well, this is freaking awesome. Fly line got tangled up in the bush. Went right to the end of the backing and bust off. I got it all together there now. Still tangled up around the freaking wheel. Alright, we gotta get this straightened out before it goes any further. Alright, we made it in here. We're gonna bury ourselves in muskol now and hit her down the trail. Oh, Jesus! Well guys, this is half the fun is in the journey. I haven't had much fun so far. No falls on. Alright, we're almost to the pond. Just get a glimpse of it there now through the trees. Me and David here talked about putting a cabin here. We cut all that trail over 4 years ago. I never ever put a cabin here. Someday, what, David? Someday. Well, here we are. Sure would be nice if I had a boat in my backpack. Alright, we're going to walk right on up to where the brook runs in there now, right on over on the other side of the lake. Here's some of the remnants of Bowater's days. Still lots of 4-foot pulp junks sitting on the bottom. I've been often wondering what it'd be like if you had some of these resawed. What it'd be like. They're in the water, they're still hard, but ones that are washed up, like this little one here, seem to go pretty soft, pretty fast. Well, we made it here, and we're up by the brook there now. David's flicking the trout ashore. Little panners. I was just cutting the zip tie off your rod that I mucked all the way in through here with the alder bit and broke the tip off it. Not a very good evening. Anyway, I got it MacGyvered there now. I took the top off the little 4-inch piece that I broke off and I got it tied on there. Hopefully it'll work. See if we can get some trout. Lots of trout there, David? What a beautiful spot. Yeah, it's getting late. And I haven't got a hook in the water. This start to rise, look. Huh? This start to rise up to your creek there. That's the trout there, really small. Well, coyotes are howling, owls are hooting. I guess it's time to leave. Been a beautiful evening fishing, catching a few little small panners. Was hoping to hook into some nice trout. There is nice trout here, but unfortunately we didn't get any. So we're going to take our time now, walk back to the bikes and head her home. As always, boys, take it easy and don't forget to subscribe. And the rest of the episodes of Let's Go Fishing, just click in the top right corner. Alright, take it easy.